Alright, so when we are working with finding the area and perimeter of similar triangles given, or similar figures given certain information, this one is going to be our missing triangle because we're missing this information, and this is our known. So first thing first, I would go through and find all the scale factors, which is going to be your missing over your known. When we are done with finding the scale factors of all of them, you're going to take the perimeter and multiply by the scale factor, and then you're going to take the area and multiply by the scale factor squared. I asked you if you wanted to. Our missing side length are from our missing shape, 15 over 5, which reduces down to 15 divided by 5 is 3. So our scale factor is 3. So scale factor is 3. And then we're going to multiply our perimeter, so 15, of our known one by our scale factor. So then it makes it 15 times 3 is 45, making sure to label millimeters. And then our area, we're going to take that 10.7, multiply it by our scale factor squared. So we have to remember to do this first. So 3 times 3 is 9, times 10.7, which gets us 96.3 square, and this should be millimeters, I believe. Square millimeters. Okay. Next one, scale factor. Missing, so this is our missing shape. This is our question mark, so we're going to take our missing side length over 6, which can reduce down to 2 over 3. Excuse me. And then to find the perimeter, we're going to multiply the scale factor. So 24 times 2/3. Girls, please stop. Okay, 24 times 2 on top is 48. 1 times 3 on the bottom. 48 divided by 3 is 16. So 16, the perimeter, is equal to 16 centimeters. Okay, so then we're going to do area. So 28 times the 2/3 squared. So this one was a little easier because we did 3 times 3, which we know is 9. Might not be very familiar with that one. So we now have to know that this is 2/3 times 2/3, which is 2 times 2 is 4, 3 times 3 is 9. So we do 28 times 4/9. So 28 times 4 is, I believe, 112 divided by 9. I believe it is 12.4, and then we would have centimeters squared. Okay, so I'm going to go through scale factor. Missing is my 8 over 12, reduces down to 4 over 6, 2 over 3. So then 42 times 2/3 to find the perimeter. So this would be 84 divided by 3, which is equal to 28. Don't forget to label. And then to find the area, you take that 95.4, multiply it by 2/3 squared. 2/3 squared, or 2/3 times 2/3 is 4/9. I'm running out of room. Take this number times this, and then divide it by the 9. So if we put this in a calculator, 42.4 square inches. this one, scale factor, our missing, over 8. So then we're going to do that 20 times that 5/8. So remember, 20 times 5 is 100, divided by 8 is 12.5 inches. And then the area, I have to square that 5/8 and then multiply it by my area of 16. So this becomes 25/64 multiplied by 16. And that gets me 6.25 square inches. Okay. Missing, so 10 over 20. Both can be divided by 10, so 1 over 2. So this is my scale factor. Take the perimeter, 48, multiplied by 1/2. 48 over 2, which equals 24 feet. That's my perimeter. I really hope you guys are and doing the Kahoot. Then the area, you do the same thing, but 1/2 squared, which is equal to 96. 1/2 times 1/2 is 1/4, so 96 times 1/4. So 96 divided by 4 is again 24, and this would be square feet. Okay. Are there only 4 questions on it? How many questions are on that? Okay. So scale factor 18 over 27. Both can be reduced down by divided by 9, so 2/3. So the perimeter is going to be 135 times 2/3. So 270 divided by 3. So my perimeter is 90 meters. And then 2/3 times 2/3 is 4/9. So 4/9 times that 1030. And we get 7.8 meters squared. For the back side, I like to draw a picture. So a rectangle has a side length of 3 feet, and the area is equal to 24 square feet. Then a similar but larger has 9, and this is our area is unknown. So this is our missing, so our scale factor is our missing over our known, which reduces down to 3. Now 24 times 3 scale factor squared. So 24 times 9, which is 216 square feet. Okay, rectangle has a side length of 2, area of 10, so side length of 2, area of 10. Similar rectangle has corresponding side length of 6, area unknown, so missing 6 over my 2, missing over my known, which is reduced down to 3. So then we have square, we do the area times our scale factor squared. 3 squared is 9, 9 times 10 is 90 square feet. And then one more, but just a little bigger numbers. So we have 60 to 80, so 80 over 60, which reduce down, take the zeros off. 8 and 6 can both be 4/3. Scale factor, 4/3 times 4/3 is equal to 16/9. And then I would do that 4,800 multiplied by 16/9. It's big numbers, but in the end it's 8,533 feet squared.